At an eclectic hotel where travelers from all over gather, a peculiar mix-up occurs when a French guest asks for a wake-up call. The receptionist, a jovial man from Brazil, accidentally schedules a mariachi band as the wake-up service, mistaking it for a savvy new alarm app. Elsewhere, a Japanese guest requests a quiet breakfast and is instead met with a lively Scottish bagpipe serenade. The Italians are bewildered when the spa treatment they booked turns into an enthusiastic tango lesson by Argentine staff. The climax comes when they all meet in the lobby, realizing they've embarked on a comedic carousel of cultural misunderstandings, leaving them all in stitches from the hilarity.